Hello viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is going to be a Wildcat coin set, 6 coins in all. I purchased it for $12.81, and it looks like we have 6 different countries represented here. We have Israel, the former country of Nagorno-Karabakh, Eritrea, Somalia, North Macedonia, Eritrea, and Somalia. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Couldn't find my letter opener today, so we're just going to use a Temu letter opener. That worked pretty well, and I didn't cut myself. Okay, it looks like a nice thank you note. Looks like some of these are in mint condition. We have all the coins laid out there. The first one is from Uruguay, then North Macedonia, and Somaliland. On the lower row there we have one from Nagorno-Karabakh, Israel, and Eritrea. I really like these coins. They're much better quality than the photos would have let on. I think they're all in uncirculated condition. So overall, a really nice coin set. I really appreciated all the different countries represented here, and some pretty obscure ones, especially with the Nagorno-Karabakh coin, which I didn't realize when I ordered it was in there, since Nagorno-Karabakh no longer exists. I'll throw up the values there for you, tell you how much it's worth. So please comment below and let me know what you like about the videos. And let me know what you think of these coins. And please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Good night.